Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be visiting Food Factory. It is located in Level 4, First World Plaza. Opens daily from 6:30 AM to 10:30 AM. Wondering what Food Factory has to offer when you visit First World Hotel in Genting? Join us for a quick tour on our buffet-style breakfast from a spread of freshly made goodies, including bread, local buns, Danish pastries and cereals to dim sum, nasi lemak, noodles and congee. You can also purchase the buffet stub in these two machines. Price is 42 ringgit net per person for adult and 21 ringgit for 4 to 11 years old.